Well, kami very open kami lahat sa pinagdadaanan namin kasi from the get-go pa lang, from the show that we were in, parang sabay-sabay na namin pinagdaanan yung mga hardships. So parang nagkakaintindihan na lang din kami sa mga pagsubok na dumadating sa amin. And at first, hindi sa amin nagsasabi ng mga nararamdaman and just bottling inside. Pero I think because magti 3 years na din, 3 years na kami magkakilala. So parang natural na din na para lang kami magkakapatid na naglalabasan ng minsan nagkaaway din kami. And nagbabati din naman kasi wala kaming choice.
On behalf of my members, alam ko po na most of us really like to have world tour po talaga. And gusto namin like maibo talaga yung buong mundo and mag-perform. And of course, magsisimula muna kami here in the Philippines to grow our fans with our anchors and of course, produce more songs and of course, promote sa iba't ibang city here in the Philippines.
So, when I feel like the burnout is coming, when I feel like drained na ako, nagpapahinga talaga ako and I put time to myself para mag-recharge, para makabalik ako on the grind, on the hustle. Kasi, of course, nakaka-drain yung jobs namin din. Hindi naman siya all sparkly, fun lang. It's also tiring and taxing to our bodies. So, we try to balance it. Yes.
Para sa akin, really think about the mga plans mo. Each day, dapat lagi mo iniisip yung mga plans mo and to make yourself always busy. Kasi the more na busy, the more na wala kang ginagawa, the more na nag-overthink ka. So dapat you should always make yourself busy and always do something to recharge yourself. Yeah.